Right now, the quant price for the past few hours has plummeted towards the downside, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing the recent price action, what has been going on lately for the quant price action, and also some of my expectations and also the important key levels you guys should watch out for. So before we begin, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash like and subscribe in today's video, and let us begin the analysis for Quant QNT inside the longer daily time frame. So if you guys are unaware, for the past few hours, the Bitcoin price has also plummeted towards the downside, as you guys can see, and that resulted in the entire crypto space also plummeting towards the downside because, of course, of some FUD being released in the market. But let's go back to the quant price in the daily time frame. Yes, the quant price has also plummeted towards one of our key support levels, which I have mentioned a lot of times previously in my previous videos, which is the $87 level, which is this red line. I said right now in my previous video, I mentioned that I'm expecting a potential lower low for the quant price in order for us to pick up momentum before ultimately reversing back to the upside and putting in higher highs. So right now we have definitely put in a lower low, and we found tremendous support because, again, this level, which I have marked right here in this red line, is, like I've said, tremendous support, and it supported the quant price. As you guys can see, the quant price was clearly supported, and we had this strong bounce towards the upside, which basically shows the market sentiment or how people feel towards the quant price, which is based on how the chart looks like right now. It shows that the people are buying the dip and are feeling bullish for the quant price. So this is good to see. It's good to see that the price is being supported by this support level at $87. But right now, we are at a very, very critical moment because this is a time when we're going to be seeing if the quant price will finally have that breakthrough above resistance at $112. I have said this before. We have been struggling to break above resistance at $112. As you guys can see, we attempted to break out of it 3 times in a row, and we have been rejected 3 times in a row. So I said is going to be very, very crucial for quant, or essential for quant, to first of all put in a lower low to pick up some of the momentum before ultimately reversing back to the upside and breaking above these 2 resistance levels. So right now, what I'm going to be doing for the next few days is I will observe the quant charts closely and see if we are going to be having a break above this first resistance level. It's important to have a break above this first resistance level in order to proceed to the final resistance, which is the swing high at $120. I have mentioned the importance of breaking above the swing high in order to begin a new uptrend. So, like I've said, for the next few days, I'm going to be closely observing the charts. But right now, based on the recent price action, it looks nice that, it looks good that the quant price is being supported by this support level, which we have marked right here. But for now, like I've said, be cautious and stay patient because we still live in uncertain times. The Bitcoin price continues to plummet, and more bad news is still being released in the market, and that's why we saw not only quant but the entire crypto space plummet towards the downside. But again, just be aware of these support levels. The first support level is $94, the next one is $87, and the worst case scenario is if we do lose support at $87, the next final support is located at around $67 right here. So just be aware of these 3 support levels. But right now, like I've said, I'm going to be observing the charts for the next few days, and hopefully we're going to see a break above resistance at $112 in order to proceed to the next resistance, which is a swing high at $120, and have a sustained break above it. But for now, it still looks unclear, and I think for the next few days we are maybe going to be consolidating within this general area still, until the price decides to break towards the upside or towards the downside. So that's essentially the quick update if you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins. And don't forget to sign up and Bybit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server. The link is in the description as well.